Hello everyone, welcome back to Miss Beanie in America. How you all doing today? Yeah, and it's been a long time. It's been a while. Yeah, I've been busy. However, I hope everyone is doing amazing. Today we're gonna be doing our Christmas decor.
Hi guys, this is a green glitter. We're gonna use it to paint the bubble.
I apologize guys, I mistakenly deleted chunk of this video from the beginning. Hope you still learned something here. If you are new here, please subscribe to us. Thank you.
Okay, so my mom has a plastic thing right there, and she's gonna wrap it around those things, all of them.
Guys, it's my son doing voiceover and he liked to be on my video. However, yeah, this is what we are basically doing. The part I couldn't find here, or I deleted while I was editing this video, was just how I started it from the pool noodle, passing the bloom stick inside the pool noodle and just wrapping it with duct tape. That is basically it. So I hope you still find this interesting to you. I'm sorry, don't mind my voice, I have cold. Yeah, this is what we are doing. Please just enjoy this.
We are done wrapping the plastic around it, and then we're gonna trim it nicely. Boom! This is our creation. We just create a very nice, beautiful pool noodle light, and my son said it looked like a lollipop. That's exactly what I think. So here is me being loving my creation, right? So yes guys, this is what we create. Thank you for joining us. It was fun. So if you're looking for something to create with your little one, I think this idea is cool. Just try it out, and I'll see you on my next video. Watch it to the end so that you can see how it turns out. Bye.